Hi guys. Okay, so here we have an equation, a typical equation, multi-step equation, okay? I took the one with bunch of parentheses because one of my dear students, Reese, she really loves to open parentheses, so Reese is for you. Okay, so what do we start with? We start with opening parentheses, okay? And then the strategy is to put all variables on one side, all numbers to the other side, divide and see what happens. Anyways, so let's go. So -1, not -5 times 1, -5, right? Negative times a negative is a positive. So plus 25x. Now these two guys, right? So this 5 goes to both of them, right? So negative 40x. Now 5 times -2, -10, okay? And then negative 4x minus 8x, we collect like terms, and it is negative 12x. Okay, so now we have all these guys. Option 1, you collect all numbers together here, you collect all variables together here, or you start kind of moving them, you know, back and forth. I suggest collect like terms, then it's gonna be more concise and it's easier and faster to deal with. Okay, now we can start with numbers, okay? Remember guys, this sign is always attached, right? So -5 and -10, it's not just 10, it's -10, okay? Because technically we can write here like it's like plus -10. Anyways, so -5 and -10 is -15. Those are numbers, okay? Now, those variables, plus 25x minus 40x. Okay, another -15, nice. And then minus 12x. Nice, okay, already looking good. Now we have numbers, variables. So let's put those two together. Because numbers are already here, let's move this guy over here. You can either move it with a different sign, or you can add, well, it's the same thing. It's just like I was teaching in States for some time, and this is where I got this habit of they add this, okay? In Europe, they usually just move them. It's the same thing. Okay, so equals to 0, so minus 15 equals to 3x. Now we have 3x equals to -15, so we're going to divide and isolate our x, even though this word now has a slightly different meaning. In any case, x is equal to -5. So the beauty about equations is technically you can never be wrong. Well, even if you're wrong, you can fix it right on the spot, okay? So because -5, okay, you can just plug it here and see, plug it here, plug it over there and see whether it's indeed -5, make it equal statement, okay? And if something went wrong, you can just fix it right there, okay? So you always know if you did it right. Also, just mathematics is the best place to learn how not to afraid mistakes, because what the worst that can happen? So you would make a mistake, so you would erase it. It's just you and that equation, and that's it. Right? It's not like a tennis game when you, let's say, miss a point and now you have to replay it and you're a bit more tired, etc., etc. So math is just the best place to learn how not to afraid to make mistakes. And then you take this kind of habit or this experience that nothing happened when you made a mistake and apply it to all other areas of your life. So it's a good tool to have. It's one of the best tools to have, actually. Anyways, hope this makes sense, and yeah.